Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block new customers from purchasing specific items in Shopify. Using the customer total spent and cart total condition, you can easily prevent new customers from purchasing large quantities of items. And we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the customer total spent and cart total condition. So first, we'll search for customer total spent and cart total in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. Here we can see that both conditions are available in Essential 2. Since both conditions are included in Essential 2, we must choose Essential 2, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Customer Total Spent. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. For this example, we set Customer Total Spent to block if less than and enter $50. Next, we add another condition, Cart Total. We select Block if more than and enter $1,000. This means if the customer adds more than $1,000 product in the cart, and if the customer has spent less than $50 in this store, then the checkout will be blocked. Here, we can see that David@gmail.com has made purchases worth less than $50 in our store. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "You can't place the order. Please contact support for help." Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the customer adds more than $1,000 product in the cart, and the customer, David, has spent less than $50 in this store. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now, let's change the customer email and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!